Welcome again to my subscribers. You should be one of my subscribers. Should be one of this channel's subscribers. Are you? If you are not, so this video is not for you. Sorry. If you are not my subscriber, don't know how you got here. I actually don't know about it. The channel of this video is a game development tutorial video uploading channel. If you are interested, so you can subscribe this channel. But if you are a subscriber, so I actually want to talk about something to you guys about today. Not today, about this channel design. If you are confused where to learn a specific thing in this channel, so you will solve it here today, plus some extra information I'll give to you guys. For that, this video can be important for some subscribers of this channel. I'll talk about this channel's YouTube channel, plus the Facebook page of this channel and the itch.io page of this channel. First of all, the YouTube channel. Don't know where to start learning from this channel, so I am telling you again. This channel uploads videos about Godot, Unity and Game Maker Studio game engine tutorials, plus Blender, Adobe Illustrator for 2D and 3D game assets. Also never mentioned in any video of this channel videos about Audacity, Bosca Coil, etc., which all will help you in your game development career. To find any of these softwares to start learning from, find the JGD section. Find the section with the word JGD and then the name of the software you are searching for in this channel. So which video to watch first? Well, to complete beginner, I want to say start learning from the left of the section of the specific video to the right side. I have serialized the videos for you all, but you are allowed to start learning from wherever you like. All fundamentals will be there. The example of video sections are JGD Godot, JGD Unity, JGD Game Maker Studio, JGD Blender, etc. What about game project making tutorials? They all will not be under a single section. Every game project tutorials will have their own sections. If you can find a specific video, so move from homepage of this channel to the videos section. There you will find all the videos that I have uploaded ever. I think that's all about under YouTube. Now about Jumma Game Developers Facebook page. In the Facebook page, the three kinds of things can be posted. They are 1. Videos I'll upload next. 2. The projects I'm working on or finished working on. 3. If I can't upload a video on YouTube, so the reason of I am not uploading will be posted on. Now, what about the itch.io Jumma Game Developer page? In itch.io, I'll of course upload the games I have made plus some game assets for this channel's game project making tutorials. So that's all I'll talk about today. This video is for current Jumma Game Developers YouTube, Facebook page and itch.io pages, states and tutorial on helping you to learn game development in one word. This video is for helping subscribers how to learn game development from Jumma Game Developer. If something is changed or new things added to Jumma Game Developer, you will find it in another video like this video in this channel. So until the next video, stay safe, stay healthy, happy game developing. Bye.